Clean your toilet bowl at least once a week to minimize residue and buildup that lead to clogs. Toilet cleaning is preventive maintenance that keeps mineral deposits, biofilm, and waste from accumulating in the trap and drain line. Use a toilet-safe cleaner that targets limescale and organic residue and apply it under the rim and around the bowl, letting it sit for the time the label recommends before scrubbing with a stiff toilet brush. For hard water areas, add a vinegar soak once a month by pouring a cup of white vinegar into the bowl and letting it sit for at least 1 hour before brushing and flushing to dissolve mineral buildup. Pay special attention to the siphon jets beneath the rim, where reduced flow can cause partial clogs. If jets are visibly blocked, use a wire or a thin brush to clear them gently. After cleaning, flush twice to ensure dislodged debris moves through the trap and check that the flush is strong and even. If it is not, inspect the water level in the tank and adjust the fill valve so the water reaches the manufacturer recommended mark. Wear gloves, ventilate the bathroom, and never mix bleach with acidic cleaners to avoid hazardous fumes. 3 common mistakes accelerate clogging and shorten fixture life. Relying only on quick flushes without scrubbing lets biofilm harden on surfaces, so make weekly scrubbing a habit and use a bowl cleaner designed for calcium and organic stains. Using abrasive tools or metal objects to force clean jets, and the trap can scratch ceramic and damage seals, so use plastic brushes or gentle wire picks and avoid scraping glazed surfaces. Neglecting tank and supply components means toilet performance declines slowly until clogs occur. Open the tank quarterly to check for deposits on the flapper and fill valve. Clean them with a brush and mild cleaner, and replace worn parts to restore proper flush power. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical maintenance advice like this. Our site also helps contractors find new work and participate in our active discussion community where members share tips and ask questions.